how to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. How to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. That is what this video is all about, because I know you clicked on this video because you want to make money on YouTube, and yes, I'm going to show you how you can do that with affiliate links. My name is Adam Shelton, and welcome to my video today. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. Let's go ahead and dive into the topic, how to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. Now I'm going to break down 5 different steps of how to do that, and I'm going to give you some affiliate programs that you can start for free, or you can go ahead and start marketing those products in your niche. Yes, in your niche. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Now, what is affiliate? What are affiliate links? Well, affiliate is a way you can get a commission by selling a product and services. Now, it's all over the internet now, and a lot of companies use affiliate programs to basically help sell their products, and that helps us to be able to market products on YouTube. You can do a blog, you can actually market on social media, but specifically this is about YouTube, about how you can do that. So you can sign up an affiliate program and sell a product and get a commission off that product. That's basically it. Now there's free ones out there like Amazon Associate, there's Walmart, there's Target, there's eBay, there's Best Buy, and among many others like Etsy and things like that. So if you're a chef and have a cooking channel, you can use an affiliate program to sell your products or sell the equipment that you're using in your kitchen. If you're a video game player and you love video games and you want to show video games on your video, you can sell video games in your YouTube video by using YouTube, right? That's how you can make money off YouTube, off the affiliate links, right? You get the affiliate links from the affiliate program from those companies, just like I just named. You can have a fashion channel and do an affiliate program based off the clothes that you're actually selling. So that is a really, really good deal, and this is all you necessarily need is these 5 different steps of how you can start doing that today. So the first thing you need is a niche. What is your niche? Are you have a cooking channel? Do you have a fashion channel? Are you an affiliate marketer that shows people how to make money online? Or do you have a dating channel of teaching people how to get a date, and you're selling products of how to get the date, or their coaching program? The first thing you need to do is establish your niche. And I know you're probably watching this channel, you probably have a niche. If you don't have a niche, find out what you love to do. Find out if there's a need out there to solve a problem, what you love to do. So that's the first thing you need to do. So the second thing you need to do is do research over that niche. Do the research and then find out if there's an affiliate program within your niche. So video games, affiliate program, I would go to Amazon, I would go to eBay and finding out the video games that's being sold on those websites, and then be a affiliate for those programs. Grab the link that's in there after you sign up, and then you can put it right through the YouTube description box below the video, and that's how people can click on that link, sign up for that link, purchase that product, and then you'll get a percentage of the sale, a commission. That's how it works. So the first thing, establish a niche. And the second thing is what you want to go ahead and do. You want to go ahead and establish affiliate program, affiliate company. So we just named a few: Amazon, there's Etsy, there's eBay, there's Best Buy, there's Walmart, there's Target. There's so many other ones out there. Most companies now, they have an affiliate program. A lot of them do. So if your niche is dealing with fitness, then maybe you need to go out and use any fitness type stores to see if they have an affiliate program. Now you can always go on their website and find out, usually at the bottom of the page, or you can also Google it as well to say affiliate program and then that company, then some information possibly can come up. If not, go to their website and find out if that particular company have an affiliate program, and you'll be all set and ready to go. So it doesn't matter what niche it is. You can talk literally about calculators. You can literally be selling calculators and talking about the benefit of the calculator and just making sure they have a link for them to buy this. You want customers to buy the product that you have. That's so important. Sign up for those free affiliate programs that I mentioned, and there's other ones as well. You can Google that as well. You can Google that as well for more affiliate programs that you can go ahead and sign up with. So that's number 2. The number 3 thing is you want to describe the product and services that you have. So like example, like this calculator, you can talk about the benefit of having this calculator and why should you have that calculator? What does this calculator could do for you? Is this calculator, is it speed? Is it speed or why you need the calculator? Talk about the benefits of having a calculator because you want to make sure that people can understand why they need that calculator. And it's good to have it. It's really good sometimes to actually have the product in front of you. That way you can describe it. You can do a quick tutorial. You can do a comparison, a product review over it. Hey, this calculator, it's wide, it's colorful. I like the way it looks. The speed of it is very, very nice. It's very convenient because it's small and compatible. You want to talk about the product and services that you have. Same thing if you're in the kitchen, you're doing a cooking channel. You could talk about all the equipment that you use in the kitchen to bake that beautiful meal, right? The beautiful meal. And you can have all the equipment right below the video in the description box and tell them, purchase those equipment. You want these equipment that I'm using? Click on the links below this video. That's part of my affiliate program. And yes, I do get commission from this, but you'll get a chance to enjoy the same equipment that I'm using. So describe your product or services. Even if you're a coach or a mentor, talk about your coaching program. Talk about your mentorship program. Talk about your teaching program and have an affiliate link or some type of link of they can purchase the product and you get the commission, because that's how you make money on YouTube with affiliate links. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is not only describe your product and services, but number 4, use your thumbnail. Make sure that thumbnail is captivating, compelling. It has a little curiosity look in there. And making sure that when you're doing your thumbnail, make sure the text is only between 3 and 5 words. Let me say that again, between 3 and 5 words, because you don't want to have your title in your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is supposed to be something that gets a person's attention. You want to get that snap attention. That's what you want. So it needs to be colorful. It needs to be something that you will click on, with colorful and short words, and have actions in the actually thumbnail that that looks crazy enough for me to click on it, or that looks very curiosity for me to click on there. So look at the other thumbnails on YouTube to get ideas in your niche that people are clicking on it. So you want to do your research on that to make sure that thumbnail is there, because you want them to click on the thumbnail, watch your video, and purchase the product that you have with your affiliate link. So yes, that definitely want to do that. So the next thing, and the 5th and the final thing, is you want to make sure you have a call to action when you're talking about your product or services. You want to make sure at the end of the video, you're telling them something like this. To order the product that I have in my hand right now, I have an affiliate link right below this video. It's in the description box labeled how to get this product. So you click on that link there, it will direct you to a sales page of that particular product. When you purchase that product, they will go ahead and ship the product to you based on what you clicked on. So an example, Amazon will go ahead and mail the product to you, and you don't have to worry about any of that stuff. You don't have to worry about the shipping. You don't have to worry about even any of that stuff. You're just directing them to the website. Remember, you don't even need a website. You don't need to have your own website. You can use Amazon actually short link that you'll get in there when you become a free member of Amazon Associates, and then you'll direct them to that page, and that's all you do, and then you get a commission from that actually sale. So you want to direct them, call to action to make sure this is how you purchase it, and then you go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity. Now, if you're not part of the affiliate program and you want to make money online and you want to make even more money online, I do have an opportunity in this description box below where you can sign up of how to make money online with affiliate marketing. So I do have a program where you can do that and you can use the training there to sell any product that you have. That's something if you want something extra. Want a little extra, I do have the information right below this video in the description box. And also, I've got other videos in the description box about growing your influence, growing your branding, and growing your business as well in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for how to make money on YouTube with affiliate links. Yes, I believe you can do that with any niche. With any niche, you just need to follow those 5 steps that I mentioned before and have fun with some edutainment when you're doing video to go ahead and grow your audience, grow your list, and grow your brand. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.